Well, good evening. Welcome. It's almost bedtime and it's 6 o'clock. How bizarre is that? So strange. Been up since 4:20 this morning and wind down comes quick. I actually get to bed before dark. Kind of start my routine now. And Oscar is actually getting used to early bedtime. He likes to snuggle with me. There he is right now enjoying the great outdoors. We had a horrible thunderstorm last night. I'm usually way better at keeping the debris off of the patio. This is bugging me, but we're supposed to get more rain, so I'm gonna wait. But come on, let's go, come on. We gotta clean our face. We gotta get ready for bed. Come on, cutie pie. Let's do this. Anyway, quite the adjustment it's been. 4:20 wake up is so odd and surreal. I'm not a morning person, or at least I thought I wasn't a morning person, and now I have to be. And I'm getting used to it, and I think I'm doing really well. I'm being very regimented and strict with my schedule. That's so important. And the same applies with skincare. Can't be a slacker. Gotta admit, notice some changes in the beginning trying to adjust. I'm like, what is the deal with all of this adult acne? So if you see bumps and pimples, forgive. It's the schedule. I promise it's nothing that I'm doing differently. Are you ready to go wash a face? Are you ready to wash the face? You need a face wash too. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on, let's go. Quick commercial break before we get into my updated nighttime routine. Today, I am so thrilled to highlight a brand you know I love, Womaness. As a woman embracing every stage of life, I believe in products that empower us inside and out. Womaness is more than a brand. It is a revolution in women's wellness. Clean, safe, and effective, crafted by women for women. From supplements to skincare to sexual wellness, Womaness has us covered. Here are some of my favorites from Womaness. First up, menopause. Boy, menopause can be an absolute whirlwind, but this hormone-free supplement is such a relief. Clinically tested ingredients like pycnogenol and bacognize provide relief from hot flashes to mood swings. Next up, Daily V-Soothe. If you're feeling dry down there, you're not alone. In fact, nearly 1 in 3 women experience vaginal dryness during this stage of life. Daily V-Soothe is a water-based moisturizer that can be used every day to relieve dryness and discomfort. Now last, but not least, is the #1 best-selling product from Womaness, Let's Neck Serum, because our neck deserves love too, right? Instantly tightens, firms, and brightens. This is a true skincare essential. Are you ready to try Womaness? You can shop the full Womaness collection on womaness.com, Amazon, or in-store or online at Ulta Beauty. Use code Dominique for 15% off your order on womaness.com. Now let's get back into the video. I think you're, that didn't take long. That's where I'm gonna be real soon. I promise, I'm joining you really soon. You got the right idea, mister. Some things are going to look really familiar to you. Like I said, some things may look a little bit different, but what I always start with is my Lipicar AP Plus face wash, foaming face wash, gentle moisturizing. I find that it really gets the job done well. Eye makeup especially may have a little residual because I've got to wear so much for work, especially kind of a smudgy black eyeliner and about 5 coats of mascara. So please don't blame the product for not getting rid of all the mascara, but it does a really good job. So anyway, let's get that off. Let me take off my Aura ring too, and we can kind of get this party started. Glad you're with me, by the way. It's so nice having you. I get so many questions about updated skincare, what's going on, what you doing, anything new. I do have a couple of new things to show you. This is quite the look. But first, I just want to show you how well this foaming face wash works. And a little bit goes a long way. This is, just so you know, I am extremely product loyal. This is, I think, my 4th or 5th bottle. That says a lot. I used to use Neutrogena's foaming face wash. Worked excellently. If you're looking for one or want another, great. But I find this is almost double in size. That's why I like it so much. And I find it to be just a little bit more gentle as well. Anywho, let's get the spackle off, shall we? It's been on since 5 a.m. This, by the way, is a 13-hour run. Not bad, I have to say. Maybe my next video is going to be makeup that lasts for 13 hours. I'm sure everybody would want to know what the heck that is. So I generally do about 2 pumps for the amount of war paint going on today. And then I have to be careful not to open my eyes while doing this, but I'll take my fingers and I will kind of rub and sort of squeeze between the eyelashes to really get that eye makeup off. I know it takes a while. All right, so you see what I'm saying about the eye makeup? You guys saw how much I had on my face. And I gotta say, that's pretty good for one pass at a face wash to not have that much left over. So I'm really happy about that. I do have, just for that kind of final targeted removal, the Neutrogena, the oil-free eye makeup remover. Boy, a little bit goes a long way. You can use a cotton ball for that if you have a lot of eye makeup to get rid of, but for me, it's just a tiny, tiny bit. So I will dip my Q-tip in it and then see, like right here, I have just a little bit of residual mascara and liner and all that. So it picks it up pretty well. You know, sometimes close your eyes and you can take it and go in between your lashes, get rid of some of that excess mascara, but this generally gets rid of the rest. And then I can start with my skincare. See, I told you there's a lot of stuff there. One final little wipe, and that's it. Everything's off. Now for skincare, you guys know that I love retinol or retinoid, and I've used a retinoid from my dermatologist, Dr. Marjorie Nigro, who prescribes to me the tretinoin. I'm at the 0.1%. Problem is I haven't had it refilled. Because I've been a little busy. Anyway, I really need to get back on the program. But I will tell you this, I've moved to a slightly drier climate, and I know only 4 hours north via a drive isn't that much, but I gotta tell you, the climate difference between Houston and the Dallas-Fort Worth area is substantial. There is less humidity up here. So I find, and I'm also indoors a lot with recycled air-conditioned or heated air. My skin is drier, and I have to be careful with the amount of retinol or retinoid that I use because it's just sensitive and it's bumpy and it's kind of angry skin at the moment. Anyway, I love The Ordinary, and I'm sure most of you have heard of them by now, but The Ordinary is really a great product line that offers quality skincare at affordable prices. This one is, and let me grab my glasses. I knew this was coming. Yes, retinol 0.2% emulsion, a high strength retinol hide formula for age support. So it has retinol in it. It's not as potent as my retinoid. Doesn't mean it's not impotent, it's just not as potent. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna do a little retinol, and this way I get the benefits of the exfoliation that comes with retinol. And just apply this first as a light serum. My skin seems to handle it well right now. And then maybe when summer rolls around and it gets a little bit warmer, and maybe I get a little bit more acclimated to my new climate and my new job and my new hours and all that's coming with it, my skin will be able to tolerate a different treatment. But moral of the story, listen to your skin. It changes. It changes based on sleep. It changes based on location. You guys know this when you travel. Boy, your skin reacts to your new climate, time changes, you know, lack of sleep, all of that. So listen to it. Don't push it. You know, if your skin's angry, let it chill, right? Just like a toddler. Okay, the next thing is an evening cream, and I really also like the Fresh line. Fresh Beauty is a clean line, and they have really kind of upped their game with their quality of skincare products. So this is the Black Tea Advanced Age Renewal Cream. Y'all, I just read that without glasses. I need a round of applause at the moment. That's epic. It's a great, great product. It is, again, they say anti-aging. I prefer pro-aging. But it has, it does have some retinol in it as well, but also products to help lift and firm and tighten the skin, which we in middle life, when we deal with elasticity issues, that becomes a problem. So I tend to use my pinky finger. They give you those scoopers, but I don't know, what are dip nail powder nails for besides scooping out some product? I use this at nighttime, and it has a good creamy feel to it, but not an oily feel. And it has kind of a cooling sensation as well, which I really love. I'm taking care of all of that. Get it out of my eyebrows. See, I had a zit right there. Look at that. I went to town. I'm telling you, right here, look at all of this. Do you see this? It's crazy. I feel like I'm 16 again. Anyway, following up with another Fresh Black Tea, age, okay, so that's what I get for bragging. Okay, Age Delay Eye Concentrate. The type gets even smaller on the back, so forget about it. Fresh black tea, Age Delay Eye Concentrate diminishes signs of aging. That's all I gotta say. It does other things too. Depuffing, firming. Again, it's got retinol in it, so it helps for fine lines and wrinkles as well. Also has a wonderful cooling effect. So I just take that and tap it around the eye area for nighttime. Skincare is done. Somebody needs new Lancino. Y'all, look how skinny this is. This is like sucked out. I think maybe my last video, I told you I was low. Well, this video, I'm really low, like beyond. I don't even know if I'm gonna, there we go. I got a tiny bit. Okay, that's it. FYI, teeth have been brushed, all that kind of stuff. All right. That pretty much takes care of skin, but I do want to share a little something new with you guys that I'm doing that helps me relax at night, because I really believe in aromatherapy. Oh, let me put my ring back on because this monitors my lack of sleep. So I can wake up in the morning and really feel depressed. Okay, let's go. Let's join Oscar. So this I recently got online at Amazon. I will find the name of it and I will link it because I love it. And I'll show you in a second. You can actually choose different color glows, you know, pink, red, purple, mauve, soft green, whatever, a nice white light, or if you want no light, you can do no light too. But anyway, so you lift this off and I've already pre-filled it with water. Okay, so you can see you fill up to that line. And I am doing rosemary, relaxed. What's in relax? I just saw relaxed and I went for it. I don't know what's in here. Lord only knows. Don't ask, don't tell. Okay, chamomile and of course lavender. But it's the relaxed one that intrigues me the most. Anyway, a few droppers each into the canister. And then the mist will begin shortly. And it smells so heavenly. Helps to get me to chill out, fall asleep, along with my melatonin. Okay, that lines up there. And then this goes on top. And then I'll start it. It starts to mist. And what's cool is that you can set it on a 5 hour, a 3 hour, a 1 hour, and it has an automatic shut off. So you don't have to worry about if you fall asleep with your, your mister going and then it runs out of water or there's some electrical issue. I know in 5 hours, it's done, I'm out, and it hasn't used up all the water. So that's a really, really great thing. But that's pretty much it for nighttime. I mean, I think we just killed, 15, 20 minutes. By about this time, what I'll do is I will take my laptop computer and I will start going through tomorrow's newscast. Isn't that sad? I wake up and I work and I go to bed and I work, and it is the way it is right now. But I like to go through my scripts at night. So I will go through the rundown and start combing through scripts. That way I have a really good idea of what's going to be in the show tomorrow. And then when I get to work, fine-tuning, finish writing, and more new scripts are coming in while I'm doing my makeup at the studio and getting dressed there. And yeah, it's kind of wild. Isn't it, Oscar? Aren't you exhausted? Yes. Anyway, thanks for being with me. That is the updated evening routine in terms of what's going on in life as well as skincare, and it is lights out. Good night.